morning! Today we're venturing into the oldest continuously surviving rainforest on Earth, and that's the Daintree Rainforest up here in tropical North Queensland. Our first stop today is going to be the Daintree Discovery Centre. Now this offers an aerial walkway, rainforest boardwalks, and hopefully some wildlife spotting. We would have loved to have done the Jindalba Boardwalk, but we believe that majority of it is closed due to repairs required after the cyclone earlier this year. So we'll head further north onto Thornton Beach and the Madja Boardwalk. The Madja Boardwalk is about a 1.2 kilometre grade 1 walking circuit through the rainforest. So again, hopefully some more wildlife spotting there. And then time permitting, we're going to head further north into Cape Tribulation and take a look around the town. Now, an interesting fact about Cape Tribulation is where its name came from, and it can be traced back to Captain James Cook. Now, as he was negotiating the coastline, he described it as an insane labyrinth. His ship actually ran aground on the Endeavour Reef, which is about northeast of Cape Trib. And it was here that he decided that he would name it Point Cape Tribulation, and where he wrote, "And here began all of my troubles." Let's get into it.
So we just got our ferry ticket to cross the Daintree River where we did our crocodile cruise a few days ago. It cost us about $49 for a car to get over and back. Pretty straightforward, I think. Here comes the ferry now, so we're just about to jump on. Just got to remember not to lose this ticket, otherwise we're going to have to pay another few bucks to get on to come back, she said. So hang on to your tickets.
So we've been told that we're very lucky today because it's actually not raining, which is pretty uncommon for the Daintree Rainforest. This particular part of the Daintree Rainforest gets up to 4 to 5 metres of rain each year. So pretty special that we're here on a sunny day.
Just sizing up to the old Cassowary behind me here. I reckon I got it.
I think this might be the only barramundi we get to see. Ben's fishing track record isn't great. Alright rainforest trail, and here we have found a mini paravertebra. It's a little dinosaur. Check it out. So 115 million years ago, dinosaurs roamed this area when it was part of a supercontinent called Gondwana. So let's go see if we can find any.
Megalania brisca. What have you found?
And the ever scary giant wombat.
What sound does a wombat make?
Oh, this one moves. Whoa!
Got a knob like a unicorn. So, check this little guy out. Looks like some moss hanging off a leaf. Look at him dangling there, shaking his little tail feather. Got him on the right? And then at the top, look at the brown ones. Look at the brown ones at the top. They look like dead leaves. One over the back, a big guy that looks like a big dead leaf. Every single little branch has people hanging off it.
Alright guys, I want to see whether you can find the leafy-tailed gecko. He's been very sneaky and hiding somewhere in here. Can you see him? He's been very, very sneaky. You got him there? Crocodiles out there, Ben?
No salties at the minute. A few little fishies, which is a good sign. Let's keep looking. called a Natrodilius Vernisco. It's over 6 months old. Turns out some stinky little oinkers have been playing around in the mud. Look at this. Wild pigs.
So apparently anywhere that you see all the ground dug up here is all throughout this area. It's the wild pigs that are doing that. So they're a bit of a pest. Right, we've just finished the Madja Boardwalk. What do you think, Ben?
It's pretty cool. Bit of a wetlands in there. You expected to see 100 crocodiles in there, but it was just through what looked like mangroves and all whatnot. I quite liked it. Didn't see any crocs, saw a few fish, and got scared a couple of times thinking we saw snakes or something jumping, but it was good. Yeah. So it's about 11:30, so we're going to head on north to Cape Tribulation and grab some lunch, and there's another boardwalk for us to do up that way as well. We'll see you then. Bye. Bye.
So that tree has an exoskeleton. That tree starts to grow halfway up from that tree. It's pretty cool.
We were today years old when we learned that the name of our caravan park is after a plant. This is Smiles Beach. Very pretty.
Good.
Is he just playing dead now?
I'm just giving the sun to warm up. Oh wow, he's flattening himself out.
That's what I mean. Is he playing dead?
No, he's
To
warming
camouflage?
up. No, he's warming up. That's amazing. Never seen that transition. Wow.
I think he's playing dead.
No, he found the first patch of sun he got. He has leveled himself right out.
Apparently this is a load-bearing tree.
This is so cool.
This is where the lookout should have been. It should have been out on the ledge here, not down by the water. Okay.
Silly
The
land.
cyclone takes another victim.
We're at the ice creamery here in the Daintree Rainforest, and we got a 4-cup.
A 4-cup. So we have passion fruit, wattle seed, yellow sapote, and underneath there is coconut. The wattle seed was like a little bit nutty, like with a slight kind of spice type of flavour to it. I actually really liked it. I wasn't a fan of the yellow sapote though, but Ben liked it. Ben, what did the yellow sapote taste like to you?
Almost banana. Tastes like banana. Pretty good. I liked it.
I
like them all.
Like pumpkin-y kind of, I don't know. It was a very different taste, wasn't it?
I liked it.
But the coconut was my favourite. The coconut was chef's kiss.